순간 내 취향이 내 뒤도 한번 Give me a holla 꿈꿔온 drama Time to show my play 이건 네 drama
I've been waiting for these albums for so long. I don't even want to talk. I just want to open them. I'm gonna be honest with you. So since I got 4 of the same version this time, my other ones, like the other version didn't come, I just decided to open it, you know, like not wait for the second version. This is thick. She's thick. Oh my god. I don't want to see who I pull already. So we're gonna take that away. Okay, wait, there's something else in here. We're gonna take that all out. I saw who it was. Oh my god, okay. So, still freaking out because I saw who it was. Oh my god. I'm gonna miss Residence Air. Oh my god. I'm gonna miss it so much. This is gonna be a lot to flip through. So we're gonna do this quick and simple because you know we're all here for the pieces. Stop, they look so good. Like all of them look amazing. But you know, I'm always here to pull the Dreamies. The Dreamies and Taeyong. Because now I collect Taeyong. Long story. Oh, wow, that's so cute. Jeno looks really nice. Shartoro looks really nice. Everybody looks nice. Everybody looks so nice. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I like these pages, but I'm not a fan of this thick book. I don't like all of these pages, I'm gonna be honest with you. I am not a fan. Like, yes, I love looking at them. Wow. I like looking at them, but I'm not the biggest fan of flipping through all these damn pages. I'm not really looking forward to it. Kun's hair. Yes. Kun's hair. I've looked at the photo cards, but I have not looked deeply at the photo cards, if you know what I'm saying. Like, if you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Oh my god. They look so good. I love Utah's hair. Oh, this is a cute picture of Utah. Yanyan, Taeyong, Seojun, Jaemin, Nah. This is a lot to get through, but they look gorgeous. So I'm just gonna, wow. 10. Wow. We still have a lot of more members to go. Look at this. She's so thick. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, she's like really thick. Lucas, Doyoung, Chandler, Sungchan, Mark. Oh my god. I really liked this album. Did you guys like the album? One of my favorite songs, Johnny. One of my favorite songs. I really like Faded in My Last Song. I really like that song. But like the real question is, Make a Wish or 90s Love? or Work It? Personally, for me, when it comes to dance, Make a Wish is my favorite. When it comes to song, 90s Love is my favorite. And Work It, I'm not really a big fan of her. Oh, this one's so cute. Look at Teo. Yes. Yes, Teo. Yes. Oh my god. They all look amazing. They look amazing. But yeah, I also like Volcano. And then there was another one. Raise the Roof is on. Okay, a lot of people weren't really a big fan of her. Raise the Roof. But I don't know. It just makes me want to dance. Like, I kind of like her. You know? Not a lot of people like her, but I like her. I feel like we're missing somebody. Did we show everybody? I feel like we showed everybody? See, 90s Love, that's the tune. Misfit, look, a lot of people want to come from Misfit. Misfit hit. Raise the Roof, I love the Raise the Roof. Volcano, I told y'all about Volcano. Light Bulb, she has to grow on me. She hasn't really grown on me. Dancing in the Rain is getting to grow on me, I'm not gonna lie. My Everything, don't really listen to her that often, not gonna lie. Make a Wish, Make a Wish, I love her. Deja Vu, we love that song. I love the Dreamies song. Nectar is Everything. They did that. I mean, you're okay. I just faded in my last song. I'm sorry. She's the queen. She won. From Home is a close runner-up, but I feel like Faded in my last song, she took the cake, bro. She took it all. I like my donuts with jam in the middle. I'm sorry. Work It. Doom, 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 doom. I wanna see you dance, dance. See, it gets stuck in my head sometimes. So, like, I feel like it'll grow on me and, like, I'll love it. But, like first, like, I'm not a huge fan of her. All About You and I Owe You. I don't know. I mean, they're cute little songs, but, like, I didn't really pay attention to a lot of them because I mainly go to the ones, like, that catch my attention from jump. I mainly, like, focus on them. Is this the poster? This is the poster. We probably should have opened the poster first, but anyways. Wow, these are a lot of people. Here, I already know who this is because I saw the name and I've been freaking out over it. He's one of my dreamy ults, but you know my overall ult in NCT is Haechan, so. Are you joking? Oh my god, I put the dreamies. I can always count on you, Chenla. When I tell you I can always count on Chenla, it means whenever I get NCT anything, even if it's like the whole group, I can always count on pulling Chenla. Oh my god, this is great. My pulls for the next album. So let's see. So who is this? Wow. These, I got sorted out. Oh my god. He's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, who is this? Sound. Oh my god. This PC. Sir. I got a double. No. Oh my god, are the rest of these gonna be like double? I hope not. I hope they're not all doubles. What is... Wow. I'm gonna cry. If I pull Saudra Nesoto in the next one, K-Town for you, I'm suing. I'm suing because where's the variety? Where is it? I'm scared. Young. Okay. This would have been great if I was still collecting him, but I'm not collecting him anymore, so I have to trade it away. All right, who is this? Wow. At least we got variety. Okay. I'm so... Okay. So these are my pulls. Oh my god. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna cry over these right now. Thank you so much. Bye.